vlogs.
Hello.
We are freezing outside. It's -16
I did a slick back for no reason.
and I am not dressed appropriately.
Just cute, but not appropriately.
Yeah, really cute.
-16.
-16. That's crazy though.
We have the same hair. It's not that much, come on. It's all small, like. So like that.
This is so fun.
Wow. Good? Hi, vlog.
Hello.
Oh, bonjour. What's up? Gang sign, gang sign. Hey guys, welcome to our stream. I don't know whose idea it was to come to a Korean barbecue, man. Like, it's crazy, bro. Like, look at the table, man. Table is going crazy. Anyway, we having fun, man. We came to Canada to learn about Korea, so that's what's up. We're about to, no, just pick it with your hand. Just tear it apart. How many pieces? Let's say 2, 3
Yeah.
For one bite. Size.
per bite.
That is not one bite.
I have a big ass mouth, you know.
Why? But it's smaller.
Oh, I think it's okay, bro. Otherwise, I have to flip like 16.
Oh, that's perfect. A little bit smaller. Yeah.
Listen, I used to be Korean too, you know.
Oh, perfect.
You should try the noodles too. It's really good.
Judge what I want,
Oh,
not bite.
don't bite
Your
it.
lip
Just
was
put
too
everything.
big.
No.
Everything.
But
That's not all I put in my mouth.
Hey yo.
Hi, Mom.
Like the stewardess. Like, not your seat.
Chicken or beef?
Yay!
Vegan chicken or beef.
My only thing that I would ask.
Hi, vlogs.
Hi, vlog.
that's so good. That is so good.
Fuck yeah.
That is so good.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Hey guys, we're in 7-Eleven. Look at the size of this cup. Bigger than my head.
That's huge.
And that's saying something.
Okay, so we're at 7-Eleven. We're gonna try those. It's Arabelle's. This is peanut butter. We have cookies and cream.
Yum.
And then we have Mars bar, but it's cookie dough. So yeah, so we're obsessed with cookie dough, so we need to try that. And then we have, it's not chomps, but it's kind of the same.
Chomps, yeah. Chomps from Wish.
Yes. And so it's honey and garlic and pickle. It's gonna be amazing. The taste of everything. It's gonna be so weird. Okay, you ready to try? Which one do you want to try first? Honey or pickle?
Pickle.
Pickle. You want the first bite? Yeah, but it just tastes like sausage.
I taste the pickle.
There's it? Okay.
That's good. I like that actually.
Okay, so this one is onion garlic. I don't know.
That one doesn't really have much flavor. I prefer the pickle.
It's just sweet. Sweeter.
Yeah.
Actually. It's not bad, but
Nearly burnt my tongue.
I don't know. Which one do you want to try first? Cookies and cream, peanuts, or the Mars?
The protein bars first.
Okay, cookies and cream or peanut? Maybe cookies and cream because peanut is
Yeah.
strong taste. Go ahead. Is that good?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
It doesn't really taste as much.
I feel like it tastes like protein bars.
Yeah, it doesn't really taste like cookies and cream.
Yeah. Okay. Peanut butter?
I had first bite last time.
This one's good. Yeah.
That one tastes less like a protein bar.
Yes. Or this one better? Not amazing. No. This is the aftertaste. It's not.
Yeah. It just has that like synthetic
Yes. Sugary
yeah,
stuff.
protein taste.
Yes. Okay. Last but not least.
Ta-da!
Yeah. So inside it looks like a Mars.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
This tastes like a normal Mars bar.
Yeah. It's good, but
Yeah.
it's not cookie dough. This is a fail. This is a big fail. No, this one is the best.
Good.
It's the best thing.
I would actually buy that again.
So, pickle and beef.
It's pickles. We love pickles.
Yeah. Okay. Wow. Hi, vlogs.
Hello, vlog. We are in the bathroom, and we left Tabby at the table because he's the only male, and that is the pain
He's
of being
alone.
the only male.
You do the same?
There's Sophie. Get Sophie from the room.
Hi, Sophie.
Sophie!
I can't do it. No, Amy, go forward. Don't lean back. It's like, give me space.
This one's for my security tonight. Let's get it.